Hey, we're going to rank correlation coefficients again from the following 4 scatter plots. This is question number 2 on the same topic. Consider the following scatter plots, and then we want to know which sequence arranges the linear correlations in order from strongest to weakest. So last time they wanted weakest to strongest, and this time we're looking for the strongest one down to the weakest one. So remember, this is the one that looks more like a straight line, and this is the one that's the most scattered. And so we're going to go from the one that's most linear to the one that's most in the straight line, to the one that's the most scattered or the most circular. And so if you come and take a look through these 4, we're looking for the most linear one is the strongest one. That's the one that we want first. And right there, that's going to be our strongest one. So number 4 is the one that we're going to go as the strongest. The next most strong, if you kind of look through the 4, the one that next looks more like a line is number 3. So 4 will be followed by 3. This is definitely almost a dead straight line. This one a little wider. And now we come down to these 2 and we say, okay, well, which one is more linear? Does this one look more like a straight line, or does this one look more like a straight line? And you can see that the scattering here is much less than the scattering over here. This is much wider than this one. And so this here is going to be our next strongest one, number 2. And then our last strongest one, or our weakest one, will be number 1. 4, 3, 2, 1, making that our answer. But I guarantee you they're going to have one in here that's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, where somebody is going to misread this and go from weakest to strongest. And look, right there, there's our distractor, right? We don't want this guy right there, because this one went in reverse order, and they always try to catch us with this on exams. Don't get fooled, okay? Make sure you read the question correctly. Sometimes it's the reverse like it was in the last question.